We pretty much remodeled the whole upstairs of our house, but we haven't touched the basement yet. It's just got this one bedroom that's technically finished. The walls are just chipboard that's painted. It's got a little closet over there. They covered up, they did like this floating ceiling and covered up the air vents. And then it's got a half bath here that it's pretty terrible too. The rest of the basement, it's all unfinished. It's got these shelves here. We've pretty much just been using this for storage. The water heater's down here, furnace. Like I said, a lot of storage and just junk piled everywhere. It's got this workbench here. And then this is the outside wall of the bedroom. It's got a window there to go out here to technically make it a bedroom, I think. And then it's got this space here where it's got a shower back there, and then the water softener is here behind this door. We did paint this wall black. We were planning on doing something with this space, but I think we've completely changed our mind on what we're doing with the whole basement. So I don't really know how this is all going to turn out or what's going to come of it, but yeah, this is the beginning. This is what we're starting with.